We're here at Woolwich Elizabeth Line Station this morning to deliver our first volunteer exercise as part of the Trial Operations Programme. We'll be welcoming 450 volunteers shortly who'll be joining us here, boarding a train, and we'll be going to Custom House to complete the exercise. The exercise this morning is an evacuation on the open routes, which means it's not in the tunnel, and we'll be bringing the volunteers off the train via a short ladder, walking along the walkway and up to Custom House Station, where they'll be finishing today. We're looking to test the rulebook, the processes, the people involved, make sure that it all functions and runs properly, and we can deliver an evacuation in a safe, effective way and put the railway back to normal service afterwards. So hopefully it all goes well today. We're really excited. We're happy to welcome people here to see the station, and all the teams here are really excited as well to finally get some passengers in and to see what the Elizabeth Line's all about.
I really like the station. I like the lights, I like how bright it is, and the columns, the detail on the columns is really good.
It's beautiful, it's just so spacious, and the engineering is just phenomenal.
It's really great. I say it's a bit like the Jubilee line, but a bit longer, I think, and very clean, nice, and the architecture's all great. Yeah.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Woolwich Elizabeth Line Station. We've been working towards this for a long time, so we're very, very excited to show you the railway and conduct our very first volunteer exercise. It's quite a big deal for us. So have fun, stay safe, and enjoy seeing parts of the network no one else gets to see. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, okay. Liam, can you give it issue a movement authority for 9 Yankee 51 as far as 339, please? Exercise start 11:58.
Currently at X-Ray Romeo 339. I would like to report that my unit has lost all power and air. Over.
Driver, do you know how many people you've got roughly on your train, please?
300. Or we go on the safety side, we go 400.
Yeah, you have received that. Thank you, driver.
Given it's relatively close to the station, it feels to me as though the quickest and safest way is to walk on the track into the platform. So are you happy with that, guys?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
It's confirmed that an evacuation will be taking place from the train to the Custom House platform Bravo.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is your driver speaking. My sincere apologies for the delay to your journey today. If we have a competent person, like perhaps maybe any police officers on board, if they would like to make their way towards me, that would be very much appreciated.
Hi, driver. Just to confirm, so you have a retired railway person and a police officer both giving you help and assistance.
Currently, they are in the process of agreeing what we call on the railway a line blockage, and that is making the area safe for the incident response manager who is attending the incident to make their way to the incident train, which has declared itself a failure, to allow the commencement of the evacuation. You can also hear in the background the driver who's contacting their control function. They're stating details of additional individuals on the train who need assistance, such as people of reduced mobility, people who are visually impaired, people with buggies or children, and also any individuals on the train who may be able to offer additional assistance. Liam on Workstation 1 is currently arranging the protection for the safety of the line with the incident response manager as well.
I've made the line block available. The name of it is Charlie Uniform Sierra _ Lima Bravo. Alison, just to make you aware, Peter and I are finalising the line block now.
Excellent, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. This is your driver speaking. We have a little small update. It doesn't look like this train will be moving, but I would like to remind everybody that this is an operational railway, and as soon as I have any more information, I will relay it to you. Again, if I could have competent members of staff towards me in the cab, that would be great. And if you'd like to talk amongst yourselves, and thank you very much. I'll give you more information as I have it. Thank you.
I think the exercise is going really well. The drivers kept us informed, clearly got a sense of humour, and yeah, hopefully we'll be evacuating soon.
I wanted to take part in the exercise because I live in Woolwich, so I really wanted to, have a first view of what the trains look like, what the station's like.
I live in Abbeywood, so I wanted to see the experience, to get to see it, because we're going to be using this, and it's an opportunity and experience to see how the thing is run, make sure that everything's been prepared properly, and everything has been looked after for the proper operations.
I was surprised how smooth it is. It's quiet as well.
I like the fact that I can walk all the way through, so it's a lot easier. I should be able to carry a few more people than normal. So yeah, I like the train.
RFLI signal at the RCC, state message over.
A contingency plan is being implemented between Paddington and Whitechapel, but in order to make sure that no other train movements approach the area of the incident train, that protection is applied so that the signaller and the incident response manager know that there's nothing going to come anywhere near where they're working to make the line safe. But because the passengers will be evacuated onto the ballast and walk along the ballast to Custom House Station, the overhead line will remain energised because there isn't a contact risk.
That's all received, driver of 9 Yankee 51. Just giving you a call back to advise you. The incident response manager has now taken a line block and is making their way to your train as we speak. Over. RFI around.
So the individuals that you saw in orange high-vis clothing walking off the end of the platform at Custom House, they were the incident response manager, so that's who Liam has been talking to in terms of signalling and again in the protection that I mentioned before, and also London Underground's emergency response unit. Those individuals have all now gone from Custom House and are walking the 250 metres to the location of the incident train. They will then begin the process of detraining those passengers. They will have to use, I believe, one door and one set of ladders in order to ensure safety at site and making sure that everyone is detrained properly as per process.
If you can just let me know once the first batch are off, and then we can let Custom House know, and then we can get the passengers to safety.
Okay, so evac starting imminently, one ladder.
We've arrived here at Custom House. We've got our volunteers now joining the platform, being evacuated from the train. That involves them coming down from ladders onto the track and being walked safely along to the end of the platform. It's great to see them arriving. Hopefully they've had a good time on the train. There is a bit of a wait. It does take time for this kind of thing to take place, but there's lots of learning that we can take out of that and look to make process improvements going forward. I'm feeling absolutely elated, tired, but really exciting. I've been planning this for 6 years. A lot of my team have been here for 4 or 5 years, kind of feeding into this planning. So it's great to finally get here, to be able to do this, and also to be able to invite people to see the infrastructure firsthand.
Okay, so you're looking to give up line blockage, authority number 13021257. So blockage given up 1520. I will revoke the EPAs shortly. I'll give you a call back once the EPAs have been revoked. Line block given up 1520 1520.
I'm feeling really good actually, yeah, it's gone really well today. It's been a really good start to our volunteer exercise programme. Everything's gone smoothly, as well as we could have hoped it to go, so yeah, really looking forward to the next exercises from here.
We've done trial running, we've moved into trial operations, and now we might say we're sort of in the big league. It's all about practising and rehearsing what we hope we'll almost never have to do when the railway's open, but making sure that we can do it quickly enough and do it with confidence so that we're ready for when real customers arrive.
We're in the last part of trial operations now. 150 different drills and practices, and of course 6 mass evacuation exercises. So to get the first one out of the way really does signify coming into the home straight to open the Elizabeth line.